Okay, so this is an activity that we do. You can see we've got one container with rice in it. There's also a funnel and a half cup measure. These are protein drink bottles that were thoroughly washed out and cleaned up. They're in here, and then we have the lids for them. So the idea is that the student puts the funnel in, measures a half cup of rice, and what we're trying to do is get them to do it an actual half. Okay, pours it in, and I'm not going to dump it in because I'm not going to take it out right now. Okay, once it goes in, they move it to the next one, then take the lid and screw it on. An activity for another student to do, or for that student to do later on in the day, is these are not glued in. They come right out, so they can be dumped right back in. So they don't have to touch the rice. That's what the cup measure is for. I still wouldn't be sharing it between students because they are touching the half cup measure, and that's touching the rice. But this is both a measuring, so kind of a math activity. Even for students who need hand over hand, you can support them in grabbing it, in dumping it into the funnel, and then taking the funnel out. You may not want to have them put the lid on if you're using hand over hand. It all depends on what your students can do. But again, rice, funnel, half cup measure, bottles that were likely to be thrown out or at least hopefully recycled anyway, and then the lids from the same containers.